Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a roasted chicken in the air fryer, and I have some vegetables aside with it. Look at this color, brown and crispy from the outside, very nice color, and is very tender and juicy from the inside, very moist from the inside. For me, this chicken was very small and it took only 40 minutes in the air fryer. But if you have a bigger size chicken, it will take an hour in the air fryer, like half hour from each side. And as you see, the chicken is falling out the bone. Stay with me to see all the steps. It's very easy, delicious, and nutritious. For the people that didn't see my garlic herb butter video, that's the one that I will use to season my chicken. I have butter there, a mixture of herbs. I have parsley, rosemary, thyme, oregano, and some sage, salt, and pepper, and garlic. And to see all the video is on my channel. You have garlic herb butter, a recipe right there. Making a new one here is quick, only for people that didn't see it. That's the butter that I will put on my chicken to season it. It's very flavorful, this butter. Have a lot of herbs on it, salt, pepper, and garlic. I clean my chicken and try to dry it really good with the paper towel. Dry your chicken like that. The butter and the seasoning will stick on it. And also you can make some holes on the breast and the legs with a knife. Like that's all the meat gets the seasoning. And now I take my butter and I put it under the skin. Be sure to have it all over the chicken. And when I finish under the skin, I will put some on the top of the skin too and inside the chicken. From the inside, outside, and between the meat and the skin is under. For me, the chicken will marinate it overnight. I will not cook it the same day. It's better if you season your chicken the day before or a few hours earlier before that you cook them or bake them. Let's say put all the butter and seasoning all over. That's all what we need for this chicken. Now I will get the legs together like that. And I put it in a container and leave it on my fridge overnight. And next day I put some parchment paper on my air fryer. You don't put it, usually I don't put no parchment paper, but this time I put it. You can put it directly into your air fryer. I choose 400 degrees for 20 minutes. I'm telling you, this is a very small chicken. If you have a medium or big chicken, you start with 30 minutes from the first side. Now you see how brown and nice from this side, crispy. Then you turn it to the other side. If you have a bigger chicken, for a half hour on the other side too. Depend on the size of your chicken. The second time I did only 370 for the other side because it's not the breast. And I flipped it the third time to the breast side and I added another 5 minutes on 400 to make all the skin brown, crispy, and nice. And that's my chicken. So crispy, brown, and nice from the outside, very golden. and moist, tender from the inside, and also delicious and nutritious. The combination of the butter, garlic, and the herbs give this chicken a very, very nice flavor. Look at it now. You see the color? But I'm saying it again, if you have a bigger chicken, you need more time. And always, when you put your meat on the air fryer, you can check it with the knife and see if it's done or not. If it's not done, you always add few minutes until that your meat is done. But this didn't take no time. For me, I made some potatoes, string beans, carrots, and zucchini. I boiled them, then I saute all these vegetables in the pan with the same butter and herbs. Then I accompany my chicken with it, and it was very, very good dinner. You have your protein, you have all your vegetables, and you're ready to go. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments how did you like this roasted chicken in the air fryer. See you next time in a new video and new recipe, and enjoy.